Shattered glass windows continuing to fall from San Francisco high-rises as the Bay Area faces weeks of intense storms. And just today, another broken window was discovered. That brings the total number to 6 after Tuesday's intense winds. San Francisco city inspectors issued violation notices today. KTVU's Jana Katsuyama joins us now live with the safety concerns. Jana.
Julie, you can see behind me there's scaffolding and there's also tape because they don't want people walking underneath those windows up there. They also, as you mentioned, issued these violations. They are very concerned about safety, and they'd instructed the building managers as to what they need to do next. A precarious path on Mission Street at Beale Thursday. People had to walk along the curb and even into the street. The sidewalk was closed. Concern about falling glass from the Salesforce East Tower. The Department of Building Inspection issued an urgent warning Thursday that one window on each level from the 11th up to the 30th floor of the high-rise was broken or cracked after Tuesday's windstorm.
We heard by way of the messaging platform that there was glass and some had fallen down.
Photos obtained from city inspectors show the damage. They're investigating falling glass and broken windows at a total of 6 high-rise buildings. Across the street at the Millennium Tower at 301 Mission, one window broke up on the 49th floor, a board covering the hole. Another building also had broken glass blocks away at 14th and Mission. And at 50 California Tuesday, glass fell from a window between the 13th and 14th floors. That comes just 1 week after a window fell from another high-rise at 555 California. On Thursday at 1:30 p.m., another broken window was discovered at the Fox Plaza building at 1390 Market Street between the 11th and 12th floors.
And the question is, why are these window systems failing?
Aaron Peskin, San Francisco's Board of Supervisors president, says the city needs to take action.
I introduce that legislation on April the 4th, our next board meeting, as well as call hearings to bring national and international experts. I mean, this is not happening in Singapore where they have typhoons. It's not happening in Chicago, the windy city. Why is it happening here?
Emily Guglielmo is past president of the Structural Engineers Association of Northern California.
It could be that the building itself is moving because of the wind. The beams, the columns, the walls are moving, and that movement causes the glass pane to unseat and fall. It could be truly that the pressure that the glass was designed to withstand was exceeded and the glass is broken.
Flying debris or construction flaws could also be a factor.
And it may be different across some of these different windows that we've seen.
She is a member of the American Society of Civil Engineers ASCE 7 committee that sets wind standards for buildings across the United States.
We'll figure out exactly what happened in this particular location and identify if adjustments are needed in our code.
And the city says if anybody suspects there might be damage at any other buildings in the city, they should call 311 and ask for a building inspector. The building inspection department says that, back here live, any of those 6 buildings that got the violation, they will need to replace the window and then file a report with the city within 14 days. Julie.
So, Jana, yeah, it's amazing no one was hurt. In some cases, the glass is falling down onto the street. In some cases, the window's just breaking. What are you hearing about how long it's going to take to, I mean, there's so many high-rises in downtown San Francisco. What are they saying about how they can get through and inspect everything to make sure that people are safe?
Well, right now, Julie, that's interesting. There's no I guess, rule where the building inspectors can just go into buildings unannounced. There usually needs to be a problem. That's one of the things that Supervisor Peskin is planning to look at and possibly change.
Yeah, and something definitely to look at. We've had windy weather before, and now all of a sudden, windows breaking. Janet, thank you.